Okay, falling over.
Here's soap and water. Start washing. Okay. Why are you standing?
Because he got it on my shoe.
You got it on your
There was
shirt. You
no
kicked it.
he here.
I kicked it?
Yeah, you kicked the glass and the bottle, and that's why it flew everywhere.
No, she kind of rolled onto it and hit it with her arm.
Don't back up.
I don't feel so.
Okay, I'm gone. It's not on that side. Where else? Just there in your sleep. It's okay. Chris, we have to get her down the stairs. It's going to take the full 15 minutes, okay?
I'm perfectly fine.
You sure don't want me to quickly get an energy drink?
It's not going to help her.